The Pythagoras Theorem is a fundamental principle in geometry that applies exclusively to right-angled triangles. A right-angled triangle contains one 90-degree angle. The sides adjacent to this angle are called the legs, labeled A and B. The side opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, labeled C, which is always the longest side. The theorem is expressed by the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. This relationship reveals that the area of the square built on the hypotenuse equals the sum of the areas of the squares built on the two legs. Visually, this means if you create a square for each side of the triangle, the two smaller squares perfectly combine to fill the space of the larger square on the hypotenuse. Applying the theorem to a classic 3-4-5 triangle confirms the math. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 9 plus 16, which is 25, the square of the 5-unit hypotenuse. The theorem also holds for larger sets, like the 5-12-13 triangle, where 25 plus 144 equals 169, the square of 13. In the real world, this logic powers 3D graphics rendering and precise construction foundation squaring. Remember the golden rules. The theorem applies only to right-angled triangles, and always identify the hypotenuse as the longest side opposite the right angle.